How to use stealth mode on your investing app. Stealth mode, often called as a privacy or hidden balance, is a feature on many investing apps that conceals your portfolio, total value, and individual holding from prying eye. So, how you could enable this is just what you need is just open your investing app or your crypto app. It could be any Coinbase, Binance, anything. So basically what here you need is just from the home page or the home screen, just long press your balance to hide or show it. You could also see this I button right next to it. You could simply tap onto it and that's also going to help you out to hide it. Next, you could also go ahead and check your settings and look for appearances and toggle hide balance on as well. And this way you should be able to use stealth mode on investing apps. So depending on the type of app that you're using, the options of the feature might be located in some other section as well. So you just want to make sure to look for it in the settings as well as other options, and that should be able to help you out. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.